What's up, you guys? Bodie here again, back with another video. And today, I got my little puppy Chuk. Say hi. No, he wants to go outside. We're gonna play inside. So I just want to show you guys my dog. Oh, he's trying to get you guys out. Okay, where is he? Behind me. No. Okay, I'm gonna hold him still. So, this is my dog Chuk. So, we got him a while ago. He's not even a month old yet. Ow! Stop biting. But he is crazy. He's a crazy one. Actually, no, he's a month old. He's almost 2 months old, actually. He was born December 7th. So, he's a Labradoodle. And just showing you guys. Dude, you're gonna break my jacket. Okay. So, here he is. And that's a cage. It's a pretty big garage. We got our four-wheeler. And then, got my dog. Wanna shake? Watch. Here, I'll show you. Sit. Shake. No! Sit. Sit. Hey. Sit. 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 Hey. Okay, he's not listening. So I was just showing you guys my dog. I'll be like, hey. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out my other videos, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.